Hello friends, welcome to MSc Earthings. This video is a part of a series of videos under the title SQL for Beginners. This is a playlist which is available in our channel. You can check it out for remaining sequence of videos. In this video, we will be seeing how to import a CSV file into SQL. Before importing, we should be aware in which database we want to import the file. Say suppose I want to import the file into MSCR database. So you will have to select the active database as MSCR. Then expand the MSCR database and expand the table section. Refresh the table section. As you can see, there is no table present in this database. So now we'll import the CSV file into SQL. Process is simple. Right click on the database, go to tasks and then click on import flat file. You will get a wizard open. Click on next. Give the location of the CSV file. So I am giving this file. This contains the employee details, the CSV file. I'll click open. Here you will get a preview of the data which is present in the CSV file. All the columns that are present in the CSV file will appear here in the preview section. Then click on next. Here you can modify the columns, the data type you can modify, and if you want to check the primary key and if you can allow nulls, you can select here. It's optional. So time of birth, I'll select it as a timestamp. Then employee ID, I'll mark it as primary key. Any more changes? No. I'll click on next. Then I'll click on finish. Operation completed. Result success. Then you can close this. See, there is no table yet. I'll refresh the table section. You can see a table name EMP is created. Now let us check if it is visible in our query. Select star from EMP. See, we got the table. You can see here 100 rows are there. Right side bottom will be appearing the number of rows. So this is how to import a CSV file into SQL. Thank you. If you like this video and if you are gaining some knowledge from this, please do hit like and subscribe. Thank you.